My simple question to the people of Zimbabwe was, when was the last time we had an election with a united opposition party? I don't remember that. That was in 2000 when it was formed, actually. Right. Recently, I did actually it was a podcast when I explained to people. I was trying to explain to people that our opposition parties in Zimbabwe have actually become a problem rather than a solution. There's a lot of attack coming from other people, and I was trying to explain myself that actually I'm not part of what you think I am, which is the ruling party, or being a machine of the ruling party, or something about the ruling party, or something there. I was just analyzing facts on the ground, right? With our opposition party being led by, I don't know whether it's Kupe or Chamisa, because we do not know which one of the two opposition parties is actually our main opposition party. We have lost track, because when we went to the last election, those people that won the election, the MPs, have been removed from parliament because they representing something that is different. That is just ridiculous. I mean, just like you vote for someone, then the constitution, because the person that you voted for was a non-event. It never existed. Please don't adjust your brightness on your phone. This is what it is. I'm just dark. Anyway, that's another thing. Anyway, our opposition party, which is the MDC. Let's stick to the word MDC. Let's not say T. Let's not say alliance. Right. Our opposition party is the MDC. Regardless of whatever it is. If it was a 99 before, it was an N, it was an M with Mtambara and Nube and Job Skabala, the 99, it's still the MDC. That's the main opposition party. And they have become part of the problem because of these fractions and functions of a fraction. Right. My simple question to the people of Zimbabwe was, when was the last time we had an election with a united opposition party? I don't remember that. That was in 2000 when it was formed, actually. All those other elections that we had with this opposition, they were always divided. We always had another opposition party dividing the votes all the time. We had another opposition party coming in, and there was a time they actually fought against the splits in votes, and that was the time when ZANU-PF brought the Simbamakoni project in, So my other question was, people always argue that ZANU-PF is there to destroy the opposition party and split the opposition party. But my question is, who has ever stopped the opposition party from doing the same? Why can't the opposition party split ZANU-PF? Why can't the opposition party infiltrate ZANU-PF? Then it comes back to the question of intelligence, whereby I always argue that this opposition party does not actually have the mental capacity to fight this ruling party, because you're gonna have to take the war into their own background if you want to defeat this opposition, this ruling party. Because if you cannot do the simple things that they do, like infiltration, for example, understand them, I mean, for example, intelligence. For example, yeah, you can't expect us to rely on your weavers and tenabites, I mean, for tenabites, we know he was outsmarted by Baba Jukwa. He believed in Baba Jukwa. I was in a rally in Marondera back in 2013 there. They praised Baba Jukwa on a rally. Come on, guys, you can't do that. An anonymous figure giving you facts that are not verified. And you believe that, and we went to an election with that information and we lost an election. So you want me to believe that bullshit? Come on. I have to bring back my mic. You see, so emotional sometimes. But I don't want to be emotional, because when you are so emotional, you can't think properly. So that's the problem with most of the supporters with this opposition party. So emotional. They come and attack you, but these attacks is just based on emotion. You have to think straight, right? You have to think straight. You have to be factual. And this is how we're gonna win the war, if we are going to go ahead with this opposition. But I know a lot of tabloids there on the internet, like Zimbabwe, just stern supporters of MDC, but we don't talk about the weaknesses of MDC. As long as we don't discuss those weaknesses, we're not going anywhere with this opposition party. Anyway, we need to discuss, for example, the Kupe issue, right? I said it that Nelson Chamisa has to actually apologize for what he did to Kupe, because this thing was like kind of like more feminist thing, or someone has got issues with women. It has got nothing to do with Kupe, because Kupe has been with the MDC from the beginning of MDC. I've remembered Kupe with Morgan Tsvangirai. She has always stood with Morgan Tsvangirai, and I've never thought Kupe would go against Morgan Tsvangirai. And why would we think that Nelson Chamisa will tell us that Kupe is not with Morgan Tsvangirai? That is just ridiculous. This is just a feminist thing. And as religious as Nelson Chamisa is, I would want to believe that he believes that women should be below him, which is kind of ridiculous to me, because I don't believe in that crap. Actually, I don't believe in people who undermine women. So if people undermine women, they become a problem also to me, and that's who he is, a staunch religious person who uses religion but doesn't use common sense.